All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Rico Kilaw here, all the way from the Philippines. And of course, welcome po sa ating Opulence Global Tour. And today we're going to share with you some valuable information on how you can improve your health, how you can improve your life. No? So yan po yung tatalakayin po natin ngayon. So we'd like to welcome each and everyone joining us from different parts of the world. And by the way, this call is recorded so you can make a review of what was discussed here. But nonetheless, I know that all of you have been probably at work or you have something to do today. So you have done something today. But today, we're going to share with you something na pwede hong makatulong sa inyo. By the way, this is in Taglish version. And ito ho yung pag-uusapan ho natin ngayon dahil dito ho sa Opulence Global, we have a vision. Ano ho ba yung vision natin dito sa Opulence Global? Our vision is a world where aging and illness are no longer accepted as normal, but rather preventable. We strive to make opulent living accessible to all, not just elite, offering opportunities for generational wealth and personal empowerment. So basically, kita ho natin yung nangyayari sa kapaligiran ho natin ngayon, kabi-kabila ho yung mga nagiging sakit. And our vision is makapagbahagi ho sa inyo ng information and education na para ho mapangalagaan natin ang ating kalusugan. Because after all, we always say that health is wealth, di ba? So ito ho yung pamamaraan. Hindi ho tayo sa medication but rather we are in prevention. And these are the things that we will be sharing with you today nang sa ganon yung ating kalusugan ay mapangalagaan ho natin at magawa ho natin yung mga bagay na mahahalaga sa ating buhay. And we strive to make opulent living accessible to all. So this means, ano ho ba ibig sabihin ng opulence or opulent living? It means abundance in wealth, luxurious living. Ito daw ho yung pamamaraan kung paano ho natin pwedeng makamtan yan at maranasan yan. Not just the elite ha, hindi lang ho ito para sa mga may kaya at mayayaman yung opulent living na yan. Because in Opulence Global, we offer opportunities for generational wealth. When we talk about generational wealth, this is something that you can pass on to the next generation, sa anak mo, sa apo mo. And we do that by personal empowerment as well. So dito marami ho tayong mga bagay na tatalakayin na isa ikagaganda ho ng ating pamumuhay. If you want things to change, then we will discuss that, no? How you can improve your life in opulence. If you have the will, opulence has the way to transform your life and create a lasting impact. Now, let me share with you. Ano ho ba yung inyong ninanais, no? Especially for this year and the coming years? Is it a family vacation? Yun ho mga exotic locations, vacations, financial freedom. Gusto niyo ho ba ng healthy living? Ayan. So, gusto niyo rin ho ba ng prestigious lifestyle? So, what if you can have it all? Kasi dito sa Opulence Global, we have the means and we have the ways in order for you to accomplish and achieve that. So, sino po ba si Opulence Global? Opulence is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. And this year we're celebrating our 20 years anniversary. So ibig sabihin meron na ho tayong proven track record, hindi ho biro, no? Yung pagpapalaga na po natin, pagpapalaki ng negosyo natin for the past 20 years. We basically ship to more than 200 countries and territories. Meron ho tayong multiple regional offices and accredited member ho tayo ng Better Business Bureau, which is actually an organization that evaluates yung mga business ethics, business practices, and this confirms that the company is legitimate and trustworthy. Moreover, we are named among the top 100 solid companies since 2010 by the businessforhome.org. And the reason why the company continues to flourish is because of the leadership ng ating founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. Now, we have to understand, in every venture, leadership is very important. May kasabihan nga tayo, everything rises and falls in leadership. So he's a self-made millionaire at the age of 25. He was able to build 5 multi-million-dollar businesses. So ibig sabihin meron na ho siyang malawak na karanasan. 34 years, more than 34 years of experience, no, in building multi-million-dollar businesses, and he has helped a lot of people become millionaires. So kung gusto mo na sumunod dyan, it is always good, no, to follow a leader that has already experienced yung paano umangat at paano magtagumpay sa buhay. So marami na ho siyang media accolades, featured in American Business Journal, top 2 compensation plan expert, network marketing Hall of Fame inductee, at author ho siya ng Direct Sales Most Advanced Training System, which is known to be the forensic networker. And meron ho siyang mindset of a champion. Imagine ha, meron ho siyang napakaraming medalya as a Canadian wrestling champion. So hindi ho talaga siya nagpapatalo. Now, the industry that we are in, ito ho yung maganda, no? The business that we are in is nakapaloob ho siya sa multi-trillion dollar industry. So basically, we have the fashion industry, which is a trillion-dollar industry, personal care, wellness, and health, worth over $5 trillion industry. And of course, the business opportunity is worth $9.2 trillion industry. So it's a combination of $15.9 trillion industry. So ibig sabihin, ito ho yung pagkakataon na pwede kayong ma-involve into these massive industries and you can eventually get a share from that. So our fashion heritage, dito ho nagsimula si Opulence Global, ito hong mga tinatawag nating Fairy Fashion Products, no? Fairy Designer House, which is the largest Canadian private fashion house. At yung mga products ho natin when it comes to fashion are exclusively designed from our Toronto and European Center. So hindi ho basta-basta ang quality at pagkakagawa nitong ating mga fashion items. At sa kanyang prestige, it is even worn by over 350 celebrity clients all around the world. At yung ginawa ho nating Fairy on the Runway is the biggest fashion show in Canada by a single designer. And we basically have numerous global media accolades na feature na rin ho tayo sa mga prestigious shows such as the Fox 5, The View, International Emmy Awards, TIFF or Toronto International Film Festival, and the Golden Globe Awards. Moreover, ito ho yung sample ng ating mga fashion line. So I would encourage you to up your volume and let's watch itong prestige at itong fashion show na ginawa ho natin showcasing our amazing and prestigious fashion line of products. Let's watch this. That's just a glimpse of our amazing fashion line of products. So as you can see here, meron ho tayong mga timepiece, mga belts, bags, shoes, many, many more. Thousands of products that are available po sa ating online shop. Mamaya papakita ho natin yung mga yan. But the most prestigious product that we have when it comes to our fashion line is itong ating tinatawag na Fairy Moss Ring, which ang Canadian Jeweler Magazine, prestigious magazine ho yan ha, dinescribe siya as an unimaginable ultra-luxury jewelry collection. So it's the most prestigious fine jewelry collection. Fairy Moss jewelry starts at 19K at 21K gold. So ibig sabihin, inap pa niya yung gold no dito sa ating Fairy Moss na yan. Known for their high craftsmanship and luxury appeal, meticulously crafted and microset with high-quality calibrated diamonds and gemstones. Moreover, inspected at every age to ensure the highest standards are met and stamped with 19K or 21K and Fairy Moss to guarantee its authenticity and quality. So certified ho siya by the most reputable third-party certification systems such as the GIA and IGI. Now, ito ho yung video ng ating Ferry Mosh. Panoorin ho natin ulit itong ating Ferry Mosh video. And of course, again, up your volume so you can watch this amazing Ferry Mosh rig.
Our Ferry Mosh designs are modern, glamorous, stylish. Really what we do is create the most beautiful products by combining the rich culture of the East and the contemporary style of the West to be able to create the most exclusive designs. The Ferry Mosh Exquisite 19 and 21 karat collection is beauty in its purest form.
Alright, that's just a glimpse or overview, no? Isa ho yan sa mga mahaba actually yung video na yan, but we just want to have a quick sneak peek dito sa ating video na yan. Now, another advocacy that we have is what we call the Safe Home Revolution. Ano ho ba ibig sabihin ng Safe Home Revolution? Ligtas na tahanan. These are highly consumable daily essential products that protects you and your family and your loved ones by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So basically, we have different lines, no, from skincare, personal care, oral care, and health and wellness. Now, you have to understand, sabi mo, another product in the market, but wait, no, itong ating mga products have two unique property or ingredients, which is basically itong microsilver, which is a premium German technology na ginagamit ho yan, no, panlinis, panglaban sa mga microbes, bacteria, and even mga viruses. On top of that, yung Norwegian spruce tree extract, which is the most potent and strongest antioxidants or lignans in the world. So basically, naandyan ho yan sa iba't ibang mga product line ho natin, from beauty, yung ating anti-aging skincare system, yung microsilver protection. We have basically the lotion, the spray, the mouthwash, and even the toothpaste. No? Naandyan ho yan, yung ating microsilver. On top of that, meron din ho tayong pang personal care. Ito ho yung ating 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner na of course, naglilinis ng ating buong katawan from head to foot, plus loaded pa ng other powerful active ingredients para maproteksyonan ho yung ating buong katawan. Pero ito ho yung pinaka-highlight din ho natin dito, yung ating pang-health and wellness. Ito ho yung combination ng Fountain of Life at saka ng Divine. So mamaya tatalakayin ho natin yan a little bit of overview when it comes to these two products. It is manufactured in GMP certified facility. So ibig sabihin yung quality ng pagmamanufacture hindi ho basta-basta. Ang ating mga products are made in Canada, vegan-free, vegan ho siya, no? Not tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and of course, itong mga products ho natin are also tested by dermatologists. It cleanses microbes and it protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. Now, ito ho yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, over 1 million bottles sold and lots and lots and lots of people, kasama na ho ko dyan, have benefited from using this product, which is known to be the highest level of antioxidant available in the market right now. At ang maganda ho, difference ho nitong ating product is hindi ho basta-basta sa mga prutas at gulay kinuha yung ating antioxidants, but dun ho sa puno, which we call the Norwegian spruce tree, na tumatagal ho ng almost 10,000 years. So napakataas na level of antioxidants that you can consume and use to protect and preserve your health. So it's all natural, vegan, alcohol-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, and again, made in Canada. So napakarami ho niyang health benefits, no, na pwede ho nating ma-experience at matanggap. Protection sa inyong katawan, protection sa heart health, especially no, pagdating ho sa mga cardiovascular diseases. It lowers chronic inflammation, especially if you're experiencing mga pains sa katawan. It defend against dementia. Yan ho yung problema, lalo na pagka nagkakaedad na. No? It protects prostate health sa mga kalalakihan, reduce breast cancer risk, lalong-lalo na sa mga kababaihan. It also decrease colon cancer risk, which is very prevalent these days. It also improves hair health. Marami ho tayong mga testimonials na gumanda ho yung tubo ng kanilang buhok. Sa mga diabetics naman, it improves sugar metabolism. and it controls diabetes complications. It even helps no protect yung ating DNA. So yan ho yung nagme-make up ho sa ating genetics, di ba? It also improves metabolism, it lowers body weight, and also it reduces hot flashes. Among the many other testimonials, no? We can direct you mamaya dun sa ating Facebook page wherein you can see lots and lots and lots of testimonials of different people in different parts of the world. On top of that, ito ho yung recently launched natin, which is what we call the Divine, a supplement that supports your immune system, fight against damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. So it's a combination of 6 powerful active ingredients, starting off from maritime pine bark extract, glutathione, grapeseed extract, zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. You have to understand ha, itong mga ingredients na yan, available yan sa mga health shops individually. Hindi ho biro yung mga price ng mga yan, but ang maganda ho dyan, each of them have several health benefits, pero ang maganda ho dyan, when you combine this into one capsule known as Divine, it produces much more benefit. Yan ho yung tinatawag nating synergistic effect. So benefits include no, pagme-maintain at pagre-regulate ng ating immune system, it supports liver and cell detoxification, it promotes gut health. Napakahalaga ho niyan ha sa status ng ating health, and supports respiratory function, aids in vision maintenance. Yan, marami ho tayong mga magagandang testimonials ng pag-improve ng kanilang eyesight. It also promotes diabetic health, improves absorption of other antioxidants, supports collagen formation, it improves erectile dysfunction kasi ini-improve niya yung blood circulation. It also boosts brain function and memory. Naku, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataan ha, kung gusto nyong gumanda ang inyong mga score or grades. Yeah. Kailangan mag-improve ang inyong brain function. It also improves the skin. Kaya dito nagmumukha kang bata, no? And also it benefits our health. So yung combination ng FOL at saka ng Divine, napakaganda ho niyan when it comes to the protection, preservation, and of course, yung pagpapalakas ng ating kalusugan. So basically, you can see a lot of our testimonials when you scan this QR code. Or better yet, you go to Facebook page po natin, Fountain of Life and Divine-Official, and you can see lots and lots and lots of testimonials of different people in different parts of the world. So tingnan nyo ho kung meron kayong nare-relatean dyan. But more than that, ito hong ating sinishare sa inyo is hindi ho siya gamot ha. This is all about prevention. Katulad ko, hindi naman ako sakitin na tao. Praise God for that. But I value yung protection, preservation ng aking health. Kasi syempre gusto ko mas matagal yung oras ko no, sa mga mahal ko sa buhay. So ito ho yung tumutulong sa akin, nawala ho dyan yung singaw ko, nawala dyan ho yung bleeding gums ko, nawala yung pamamaga dito sa lalo na sa aking frozen shoulder na nagkokos ng pain before, gumanda ho yung aking bowel movement, nawala yung aking constipation, yung stamina, energy level, patuloy yung tumataas. So there are a lot of benefits, no? Hindi ho tayo madaling magkasakit. Yan ho yung maganda diyan, no? Kasi yung katawan mo mismo kapag malakas yan has the capacity to fight almost any disease. So these are just some of the products that are available in our online shop. Now the question is, saan ko ba mabibili yan? Okay? Much more than that. If you have such phenomenal products, maganda ho na i-convert ho din natin ito, i-share din ho natin ito to become successful business, no? Ayan ho yung pag-uusapan ho natin. Because itong Opulence Global's 3 revolutionary marketing models, what if you can get paid to shop? So habang bumibili ka, nakaka-save ka, and what you can get paid to consume, di ba? Get paid to recommend. So every time you share the goodness of what you have experienced based sa paggamit mo ng products mo na very unique, hindi available sa mga retail outlets, you can get paid by doing that. So ito ho yung tinatawag ho naming kabuhayan ho natin dito because nowadays, mahalaga hong mapag-usapan natin dito. Especially ngayon na bago na ho yung takbo ng pamumuhay. Most of the things that we do, nakasalalay na ho tayo sa online, no? Yung work and learn from home, food and grocery, ginagawa natin, online shopping na. Pinapa-deliver na lang natin sa bahay. Even nga ho yung mga entertainment di ba? So knowing all of these things, bakit hindi ho natin siya gawin na mas maging kumbaga ma-convert ho natin sa something na mapapakinabangan ho natin, no? Especially when it comes sa ating kabuhayan. Because nowadays, kapag hindi ho natin pinaghandaan itong nangyayari sa ating ekonomiya, nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran, ngayon ho marami nang naapektuhan nitong mga robots, AI, di ba? So sabi nga ho, millions of people will lose their jobs with the onset of this technology. Okay, nire-replace niya yung human effort, human work. On top of that, pati pa yung inflation. Etong inflation, yung pagbaba ng halaga ng pera, pero yung mga pangunahing bilihin, patuloy na tumataas yung presyo niya. Kaya maraming mga tao patuloy na naghihirap and people are really seeking to supplement their income these days. Alam nyo, sa America, nearly 39% ng mga Americans report having a side job. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na enough yung iisang trabaho ka lang. Okay? Yan ho yung mahirap ngayon. So, why not start something na pwede mong simulan ngayon at hindi lang masimulan ngayon, mapalago mo, pwede mo pang ma-enjoy yung tinatawag nating passive or residual income. And ito ho yung maganda, no, sa tinatawag ho nating opportunity that we have here because the company provides you with all the infrastructure, with all of the products. So in essence, it's a ready-made business. If you are looking to venture into a business, mahirap po magsimula ng kayo lang. Kasi napakarami hong kailangang intindihin dyan. Pero ang maganda ho dito sa Opulence Global, the company already provides you with the products, with the inventory, payment system, shipping in more than 200 countries and territories, even the guarantees and returns. Even the website maintenance, magkakaroon na ho kayo ng sarili nyong online shop, sarili nyong website, training and support, even mga events, no, mga conferences, conventions, and recognition and travel. So the company takes care of all this infrastructure, of all this product, so that ikaw mismo, ang concentration focus mo na lang is sharing and promoting your products, the benefits that your product gives. So yan ho yung tinatawag natin. Use the product, share the benefits, at dyan ho kayo nagkakaroon ng tinatawag ho nating pangmalakihang negosyo, no? So, eto ho, pakinggan natin yung mga sinasabi ho ng ating mga partners in different parts of the world because you have to understand, sabi ko nga ho, etong ating negosyo, ating produkto can be shipped and can be done in different parts of the world. So, again, up your volume and let's listen to this stories of our partners in different parts of the world with regards to the opportunity that we have in Opulence Global.
This industry is one of the most powerful industries that will touch people's lives. It gives you passion, love, commitment, relationships, travel, money, wealth, success, everything that you can desire.
I think our biggest attributes above all is our culture. It's a one nation, we have a slogan, one team, one dream, to the million.
You don't have to have experience. It doesn't matter what's your background, your ethnicity, or even your scholarship. In reality, it is a pathway to success that is designed as a system to be able to duplicate.
We're in Beverly Hills at Montage Hotel. It's the Emmy Luxury Lounge, of course, presented by Ferry.
I had to find something that I could do part-time that had massive income potential.
The main reason why I'm part of Opulence Global is because of my son. I wanted to spend more time with him. I wanted to take him to school, pick him up from school, take him to the soccer game, but I definitely couldn't do that with my previous job.
I would tell the person, right, if I can do it, you can do it too. All you need to do is follow the system and be coachable.
I was looking for an opportunity that I can actually be able to work or expand my business beyond the borders of my own country without traveling.
Started doing this full-time since January 1st, 2009. And my 10th month, I hit $27,000. 27 months, my first million. I've made several $1 million since.
What I achieve in this industry is the personal growth.
The one thing that I heard about this business that really appealed to me was that you can out-earn the people above you. You know, that really stuck to me because in a corporate world, you don't out-earn your manager, right?
We have a proven track record system. All you have to do is learn how to use it. We have the best training, we have the tools, 24-hour support.
I think MLM is the most important method of distribution. It's the last chance of the average person to do something extraordinary. I think it's absolutely important that such an amazing industry would have proper training. And the Forensic Networker simplifies things down to some basic business principles that's currently missing in the MLM training sessions.
So the vision of the company is not just the expansion of our business, but the growth of the people within the company.
If I have to sum it up all in one word for Opulence Global, it would be freedom.
Be freedom.
Time freedom.
Freedom.
Total freedom.
The one
is revolutionary.
It really just has changed my life.
Opulence is an opportunity of a lifetime.
You guys are next. I don't know which country you're watching this. 204 countries and territories that we ship to. You guys are next.
Yes, if you have the will, we have the way. And that's what we're talking about, no? An opportunity that can help you flourish, especially when it comes to your finances, no? Siyempre, yan naman ang layunin eh. Pero what about a business na hindi lang ho tungkol sa money, pera, but also on top of that, it's about helping people when it comes to their health. It's about helping people give hope, especially in these challenging times. So let me just share with you a little bit of what this opportunity is all about, because ito hong ating Opulence e-mall, yan ho yung maganda dyan. Bibigyan na ho kayo ng online shop, ng website, at lahat ng mga products na ando na. No? So every time you share the benefits of the product, they can purchase these products exactly in your own e-mall. So what you can do is launch your own e-mall and you can shop and save money. And then on top of that, if you share the benefits of the product and sell products on your e-malls worldwide, hindi lang ho yan dito sa Philippines, you can also earn money. So hindi lang save, pati earn. And when you help other partners na magkaroon din ng sarili nilang e-mall, magkaroon din ng sarili nilang online shop, online business, you can share the global opportunity to build a residual income. And as your business duplicates, as your business expands in different parts of the world, lumalaki na ho, lumalago na ho yung inyong distribution business. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. And your network will become your net worth. Okay? So ano ho ba tong e-mall na sinasabi ko sa inyo? Ito ho yung maganda dito. Ready-made na. It's a $3 million software na kasama na ho lahat ng kailangan nyo sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo ninyo, which includes yung ating e-commerce, yung website ho natin, online shop, order processing management, of course, no credit card processing fee, products, promo material, lahat ng mga tools, no, mga brochures, flyers about our products and our business, business training and support. So anything that you need to know when it comes to our products, business, and how to do the business, meron ho tayo niyan. Business performance analytics, natatrack nyo, namomonitor nyo yung performance ng distribution business nyo. Live yan, ha? Any time of the day, you can see sino ba yung mga customers ko, sino ba yung mga partners ko, miski nasa ibang bansa yan. And of course, may partner relation support. When your customers call, itong ating hotline that they can see in your website, para ka may staff, alam mo yon, na sumasagot sa mga queries and concerns ng mga customers mo. So ito hong ating e-commerce platform. Pwede ho kayong magkaroon yan for free, ha? So as part ng inyong partnership with Opulence Global, you can have free access to that. Now, ang maganda dyan, with this e-commerce platform, you can experience yung Infinity Compensation Plan, which is your gateway to opulent lifestyle. So paano ho ba nangyayari dyan? Of course, sabi ko nga ho, may mga products dyan sa inyong online shop, and whenever you make sales, no, as a partner with Opulence Global, actually makakakuha kayo dyan ng 37% discount maximum. And of course, yung discount mo na yun yung magiging retail profit mo. So when you sell your products at retail price in more than 200 countries and territories, every time you sell at least mga 100,000 pesos worth of products, na milyong nag-shopping yung mga customers mo in different parts of the world, di syempre sa 100,000 sales, 37,000 ang kinikita mo. Napakalaking retail profit niyan, di ba? On top of that, may wholesale profit din. Imagine earning up to 14,000 pesos wholesale profits for everyone na maglo-launch din ng mga e-mall nila. So kung meron kang 4 na mga packages or e-malls na nag-launch sa'yo, pwede kang kumita dyan ng $350 each, equivalent yan sa 56,000. So, hindi na ho lang nanggagaling sa product retailing, but also sa mga wholesale packages, yung bumibili din or nagsisimula din ng e-mall business nila. Now, ito pa rin ho yung maganda dyan. Every time you help yung mga partners nyo, yung mga branches nyo, mga outlets nyo, to also distribute the products, you also earn yung tinatawag nating commissionable volume. Pag sinabing commissionable volume, ito na ho yung team sales. So imagine earning up to 8.5% on your entire organization through Infinity. Even yung mga partners mo, pupunta rin sa iyo yung tinatawag nating commissionable volume. And with that, imagine you can earn up to $60,000 per week or $3.12 million per year. ganyan ho kalaki itong ating negosyo. So, itong team sales nanggagaling ho yan sa lahat ng mga e-malls launches, yung mga product purchases, at yung tinatawag nating monthly smart buy orders. So, okay? So, ano ba yung monthly smart buy order na yan? So, every time na meron actually ho tayong program na kung saan every time a partner or a customer buys, nagkakaroon ho sila ng additional perks and privileges for using our products. So, kapag ka ho every month, naka-smart ba yan, at least minimum 3 consecutive months, nagkakaroon sila ng additional discount on top of their current discount. Okay? So, yan ho yung maganda dyan. As they use the products for their personal use, as they use the products for selling, yan ho yung maganda. Even yung mga partners ng partners nyo, naka-smart buy, doon na nagsisimula yung tinatawag nating building your residual income. Now, on top of that, hindi lang ho yan yung tatlo, yung apat. Meron pa ho tayong tinatawag na mga weekly or monthly bonuses such as the MGRS. Ito ho yung profit sharing. Ibig sabihin, you also get a share dun sa global sales, hindi lang dun sa team mo, di ba? On top of that, variance bonus of up to 50,000 Canadian dollars per month. By the way, when we say Canadian dollars, yan ho kasi yung pumapasok sa inyong e-wallet. So imagine working here in the Philippines while earning Canadian dollars, no? Yun ho yung maganda dyan. Kasi nga ho, global yung ating system. And then on top of that, you can also earn commission boost of up to $5,000 per week. So yun ho yung maganda dito sa ating negosyo. You have multiple streams of income that you can enjoy as you keep on sharing the products and sharing the opportunity. Plus, on top of that, you can be part of our Opulent Club. Ano ba yung Opulent Club? So, Opulent Club is where exceptional incentives meets luxury. So, ito ho yung mga additional incentives, perks, and privileges. Not just yung retail, not just yung wholesale, not just yung team commissions or lifelong residual income. Meron pa tayong 6-tier car club and adventures. So, ibig sabihin, even the company has a program for you to own your own car. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. Luxury gifts, cruise vacation, na-experience na ho namin yan. Leadership Summit, exotic vacation, first class travel, private jet travel, and of course, the prestigious Ferry Mosh bonus. So all of these things, no, yan ho yung additional perks and privileges ng ating business. So ang maganda ho dito, paano ka ba magsisimula? Ready-made na rin ho yung pwede nating simulan dito. Imagine an opportunity to level up, no? Ito ho yung tinatawag naming lifestyle advisor designer experience, your $10,000 luxury shopping experience. Level up your fashion to luxury designer goods. Level up your health to professional grade health and wellness products. Level up your shopping for all your personal and gifting occasions with our global Smart Buy home delivery system. So pag tiningnan ho natin itong ating mga products, napakarami ho niyan, particularly na available dito sa ating package na to. And mind you, pag tiningnan ho natin, all of these products, no, lahat ng mga fashion items, lahat ng mga health and wellness, personal care, skincare. So imagine yung total retail value na pwede mong makuha dito sa package na to, aabot ho yan ng hindi bababa sa 432,000 pesos in retail value. Pero ang maganda ho, you can get all of this value of your products for only 167,500 pesos. And of course, makikita nyo ho dyan yung lahat ng mga benefits that you can get. You would also get the maximum discount. And you will be able to enjoy 14 to 15 ways of making money in this business. Dun pa lang sa retail profit, ang laki ng ROI mo di ba? So imaginein mo, halaga ng products 432,000, pero ang investment mo lang, capital mo lang is 167,500. Ibenta ko lahat ng products ko, balik yung puhunan ko, more than 250,000 ang pwede kong kitain. So dito wala kang talo dito sa package na to. Okay? So yun ho yung maganda dito. Hawak mo kaagad yung mga produkto mo. Nakasetup na kaagad yung e-commerce platform mo. Pwede ka nang magsimula at i-open yung business in more than 200 countries and territories. Plus, ito pa yung maganda dyan. Kasama dun sa retail value na makukuha mo is itong ating opulent gift. Our Ferry Designer Luxury Watch. Okay? So, hindi ho bababa sa 55,000 ang halaga niyan. So, kasama na ho yan dun sa retail value ng package ho ninyo. Kumbaga, pinaka-add-on na ho yan. So, actually, pwede kang mamili dyan. More than 55,000 pa nga yung ibang mga watches dyan So, you can have that included in your package para naman ma-showcase mo yung mga fashion items mo. Diba? Now, imagine all of this, no? Yan ho yung pinakamagandang package natin, but you can also get started. Imagine a global business, 200 countries and territories, you can get started for even as low as 13,140. So marami pa tayong iba't ibang mga packages, but of course, the higher the package, the higher the benefits. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. So for as low as 13,000, you can get started with a brand partner. Of course, yung discount mo nasa 20% and you get all of these perks and privileges. The next one is yung Lifestyle Advisor Package sa 58,800. Mas mataas yung level of discount mo, mas marami din yung products na makukuha mo, at mas marami siyang perks and privileges, and now you have access to the 13 ways of making money. But if you want more value for your package, ito naman yung tinatawag nating Lifestyle Advisor Plus. So imagine niyo with your 72,820 pesos, ang retail value of the products that you can get, aabot ho yan ng 103,000 plus. So kumbaga, ibenta mo lahat ng products na nakuha mo, balik yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa na more than 30,000 plus, you get an instant 37% discount. So yan ho yung tatlong package on top dun sa ating Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience. Again, kung meron ho kayong mga questions about this package, you can get back to the person who invited you here so that they can show you ano ba yung benefits ng iba't ibang mga wholesale packages na yan. Now, ito ho yung maganda kasi we have been in the business for more than 20 years. During the first 10 years of our business, ito yung tinatawag naming building phase. We're introducing the products, and now we have seen tremendous results of people who benefited from using our products. And then the next steps is yung development ho namin, branding phase, and right now, we're really into our momentum phase. Ito na ho yung target natin. We have grown into a multi-million-dollar business. Now, we're targeting, visioning, $1 billion company. So what does it mean sa lahat ng ating magiging partners? Ibig sabihin ho niyan, we're expanding to more countries, more branding, more income, more product verticals, and of course, more millionaires. Yan ho yung vision ng ating CEO, na magkaroon ho tayo ng 1,000 millionaires. In dollars ho yan, ha? So where will you be when this happens? Especially right now. We're in the momentum phase. We're on the expansion stage, lalong-lalo na ho dito sa Philippines. And ang maganda ho dito, we do not only have a business and opportunity that you can cling on, that you can, of course, achieve your generational wealth, but we also have what we call the Opulence Cares. Through the Opulent Care Program, we have donated to many charities, causes, and institutions sa mga disaster relief funds over the past decades. So it's a way of giving back. Because yan ho yung mantra ng ating CEO. If you want to grow, sabi niya, it's better to give than to receive. Diba? Give more, you can receive more. Yan ho yung mantra ng ating CEO. That's why, eto, nakikita niyo ho yung ating Opulent Cares program, and this is also the same when it comes to our partners. We do a lot of trainings, we do a lot of empowerment, we do a lot of incentives so that we can help our partners grow. And because we understand, when our partners grow, we grow as well. Yan ho yung kailangan ho nating maintindihan dito sa ating call na ito. And on top of that, we have an upcoming event. Ito yung tinatawag naming our 20th year anniversary Dubai, which will happen on April 2026. So, kung gusto nyo hong mag-participate, kung gusto nyo hong makita, ma-witness itong ating grand celebration, which will be happening in Dubai, meron ho tayong program dyan. So again, tanungin nyo ho yung mga taong nag-invite sa inyo dito, paano ba ako makakasama dyan? As part of the Opulence Global Family, yan ho yung isa sa mga perks and privileges ng ating business. So, post-tour, fast track in 3 simple steps. Paano ko ba sisimulan yan once I get started with my email? 3 simple steps. Of course, yung list of contacts ho ninyo. Sino ba yung pwede nating matulungan when it comes to health? Sino ba yung pwede nating matulungan? Naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan, additional stream of income. So isulat nyo ho yan. Meron kami tinatawag na Hotshot 7 and the 250 list. So these are the people that we can help in terms of those things. And then we have scripts. Huwag ho kayong mag-alala kung wala pa ho kayong alam sa negosyong ito. Kasi tuturuan namin kayo paano kayo mag-invite, paano kayo mag-share. And then work with your My5. Yung My5 is ito ho yung mga tao na tutulong sa inyo, magtuturo, magte-train, magme-mentor ho sa inyo para maintindihan nyo ho kung paano sinisimulan at pinapalaki itong negosyo na ito. So ito ho yung sample ng script, no, na pwede nyo hong i-share do sa mga tao na gusto nyong tulungan. Hello, just curious. Would you be open to checking out some info on a rapidly expanding luxury fashion brand, a cool new way to get paid to shop, or some amazing health and personal care products? I want to get some feedback because I am thinking about expanding and distributing these high-end products in your market, in your area, and create another stream of income. If not, no problem at all. Just thought I'd ask. So keep it short and simple. Just ask them. If they're interested, send them to our meetings, just like this one. Merong ibang nagpe-present for you, especially if you're just starting. Yan ho yung kagandahan ng ating business. Hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat, no? Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na team that can help you understand and learn the business. At yun ho yung maganda dito. So that's just about it. A quick overview of what this opportunity is all about. Now, for those of you who are new here, if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with the people who invited you here. Remember, sabi nga ni SVP Sanas, yung nakita nyo nagsalita sa video kanina, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. If you are looking for ways and means to level up yung inyong status this 2025, this might be the opportunity that you've been praying for. This might be the opportunity that you're looking for. And do not miss on any opportunity that can help you improve your health, improve your life. Because at the end of the day, sabi nga ni Mark Twain, the key to getting ahead is getting started. If you want to get ahead, if you want to get better, if you want to grow, kailangan magsimula ka. You have to get started somewhere. Because if you will not change anything, okay? Wala kang babaguhin sa sistemang ginagawa mo ngayon. I guess, yung inyong mga susunod na buwan, susunod na taon will always be the same. Because you did not change, di ba? But if you want your life to improve, start making small changes today. So, as easy as scanning this QR code that you can see on your screen, you can launch your business now. Okay? So kung meron ho tayo dito na gustong magtanong, pwede rin ho tayo mag-entertain ng mga questions, especially sa mga bago ho nating mga guests and partners ho dito. And of course, kung meron naman ho tayo ditong mga partners na gustong mag-share, please feel free to also share. But of course, this is the end of the call. I will just end it for a while because of the recording. But nonetheless, for those of you who are watching this replay, pwede ho kayong mag-contact dun sa mga tao na nag-share ng video na to so that at least they can enlighten you and share with you kung paano ho natin gagawin at sisimulan at palalaguin itong negosyo na ito. Okay, so that being said, goodbye for now. At sa lahat ng ating mga partners in different parts of the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. And of course, welcome home to Opulence Global. And let's get started. Join us and be one of us in building the billion. God bless po. Thank you so much.